Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build the final candidate, the penguin. This is definitely on the much more simpler side because it's just a rectangle, and it uses a lot of easy bricks. Though, that doesn't make it any less cuter than the last two candidates. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's complete, let's assemble the penguin. First, let's take the feet. We make the feet like this, as in it has some space in between. And now we take the wings, like so. Now we take the head and we attach it to the body so that the head is centralized. I like this build a lot, especially like this whole like mob vote. I feel like it's just better than all the previous mob votes because the three candidates are actually pretty even. Like, comment, and subscribe for more LEGO Minecraft videos. And you can comment down below what you want me to build next. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.